Hi y'all, and welcome back to the garden. I'm going to be planting up a little container today for my mother-in-law Didi for Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to you if you are a mother. I'm going to be using these Crescent Garden True Drop Flex containers, which is an award-winning container both voted by consumers and landscape professionals. So that's really exciting. I've been growing in these about 8 months. I started a container in October. I've been growing a lot of houseplants in these, and they're really nice because they're self-watering, but they completely disassemble. So you can purchase the exterior shell. They have like 3 different varieties. I like this one that kind of resembles an old style terracotta. This is the small size, comes in 3 sizes, 4 colors, and the best thing about it is that it is now made from recycled landfill waste. And so instead of virgin plastic, this is made from something called UBQ, which is produced from upcycled landfill waste and converted into these containers. So this is outdoors. I drilled a small 1/4 inch hole in the back of it, so it will be self-watering. And then you purchase the insert separately, and this is the small insert. There is a self-watering indicator right here at the top, and when it's full it turns blue, and there's a little hole for you to refill water. So we're going to be planting this up today with a few Proven Winners things here. I've already got this insert filled with soil. We have a double up apple blossom begonia. These are really beautiful. And then we have a diamond frost euphorbia here. And in the middle, we have a blue suede, rocky and blue suede shoe salvia. So this would be a great hummingbird attractor for the centerpiece. Will get pretty tall. The diamond frost euphorbia will add some texture. And then we love the coral pink here from the double delight apple blossom begonias. So I'm going to talk a little bit more about these containers in my next video and show you the various sizes and why I love them so much. But I pre-filled this one with some soil and some Proven Winners time release fertilizer. We're going to get started with the diamond frost euphorbia, and 5 plants is a lot to pack into this, but because they're self-watering, this can go quite a while without needing water depending on the temperature outside. I'm going to try and plant the begonias first, so I try and not knock the flowers off. We'll see how good I am at that today. And we're all done. I've got this nicely watered in. I've got some Proven Winners water-soluble plant food here. I'm just going to add a couple scoops to the bottom of this, and then tomorrow when we give it to Didi, she'll just need to fill it up with water until the indicator here turns blue, and we'll be good to go. Something to know about Didi is she loves a good fake house plant, and I know what you're thinking. As a gardener, big red flag. And that may be true, and despite those flaws, she's an amazing cook and a great mother-in-law. Thank y'all for joining me, and happy Mother's Day to all those mothers out there. And remember, be a light. Bye.